Evening, Razorcade. Fake News 62. The EU fines Google 900 million euros. The monopoly is taxed. Anthropic seals the Claude sandbox. AI hallucinations rot biomedical citations. PrismML drops a 3 gigabyte local image model. The fine lands, the sandbox locks, the data rots, the pixels render, the infrastructure adapts, the protocol is enforced, the network responds, the cycle continues. Into the news.
Top story. The European Commission has formally announced a 900 million euro fine against Google. The penalty targets self-preferencing behavior within the search results interface. The regulatory body determined that the company systematically ranked its own services above independent competitors. The market dominance is legally contested. The algorithm is penalized, the fine is issued, the monopoly is challenged. Yeah.
This ruling follows the recent executive statements regarding link deprecation. The regulatory pressure escalates the ongoing antitrust litigation across multiple jurisdictions. Google is expected to appeal the decision while restructuring its search ranking parameters. The compliance cost is calculated, the ranking is adjusted, the appeal is filed, the regulation bites.
Story 2, Anthropic has published a technical breakdown of its multi-layer containment strategy for Claude. The architecture isolates model instances across different product deployments using strict API boundaries and network segmentation. The sandbox prevents cross-product data leakage and unauthorized prompt ejection. The isolation is enforced, the boundary is hardened, the model is contained, the protocol is public. Right.
This transparency shift addresses the recent guardrail vulnerabilities exposed in competitor models. By detailing the isolation mechanisms, Anthropic aims to establish an industry standard for safe deployment. The containment framework is now open for third-party security audits. The architecture is documented, the standard is set, the risk is mitigated, the containment holds. Story 3. Researchers have identified a systematic infiltration of AI-generated citations within biomedical literature. An audit of 2 million papers reveals a 12-fold increase in fabricated references since last year. The hallucinated sources are seamlessly integrated into clinical guideline drafts. The literature is contaminated. The reference is fake, the guideline is flawed, the audit is complete.
The academic publishing ecosystem is now scrambling to implement verification pipelines. Automated citation checkers are being deployed across major journal submission portals. The integrity of the medical literature base is under direct review. The verification is mandatory. The pipeline is updated. The error is flagged. The standard is restored. Sure.
Home Lab, PrismML has released binary and Ternary Bonsai image 4.0. The model compresses diffusion transformers into a 3 gigabyte footprint. The architecture runs entirely within web browsers using WebGPU acceleration. No cloud inference is required. The download is instant. The generation is local. The browser is sufficient. The lab is updated. Yep.
The Apache 2.0 license ensures unrestricted commercial and research deployment. Developers can integrate the pipeline directly into existing front-end frameworks without external API dependencies. The compression ratio maintains structural fidelity while eliminating server latency. The license is open. The latency is zero. The integration is seamless. The hardware is adequate. Quite.
Speculation time. Security researchers have demonstrated real-time facial recognition using off-the-shelf consumer augmented reality glasses. The proof of concept requires no custom hardware or cloud connectivity. The optical friction that previously protected public anonymity is completely removed. The face is mapped, the identity is exposed, the privacy is gone, the demo is live.
My prediction, within 18 months, municipal ordinances will attempt to ban optical identity scanning in public spaces. The legislation will fail to address distributed edge processing. Anonymous public movement will become a premium service requiring signal jamming wearables. The regulation is drafted. The ban is issued. The workaround is sold. The prediction is real. Okay.
That is your lot. I'm Razorcade. The European Union fines Google 900 million euros. Anthropic publishes the Claude containment architecture. AI hallucinations infiltrate biomedical citations. PrismML drops the Bonsai image 4.0 model. Consumer AR glasses enable real-time facial recognition. The monopoly is taxed. The sandbox locks. The citations rot. The pixels render. The faces are mapped. See you tomorrow, if tomorrow exists.